Nasaktan ka, pero hindi ka nawalan. Na-broken, pero buo pa rin ang purpose. Dear, your purpose never ends when someone walks away. Your calling never ends in pain, it never ends in brokenness, and it never ends there. You never see this video by accident. Alam ng Diyos ang kailangan ng puso mo. Kung inaakala mo na ganun kadali masisira ang plano niya sa buhay mo, well, let me stop you there. Sweetheart, we are not powerful enough to break what God has planned for us. Not even our past, not even our pain, can even lay hands in that special purpose God has designed us for. Walang sayang na nakaraan sa Panginoon, and He can surely turn your stories around. Sa Panginoon, kahit na ang pinakapangit na bagay na mangyari o nangyari sa atin ay may layunin. Rejoice because God changes stories. With love and prayers, Noel.